Mostly just keep it zoomed out, I guess, because it's just going to be a bunch of
And it
people.
records sound too?
Yes.
So I don't want to say anything.
Yeah, don't be like, yelling.
Wow, they're horrible.
Yeah, don't be doing that.
We're using a very special tone for tonight because it's a celebration. So the MSMs dug up a very old manuscript out of the library, and we've put in some English text to it to celebrate our professors. Yes. We have a tone, or a note, sorry. Here are the wise and faithful MSM professors. They have dealt with us against their better judgment. Hallelujah. The Lord has exalted his lowly servants. He has brought us to the Ivy League. Pastor can find $1 billion under mossy stones, but cries out, "Halt! When simple speakers fail. Istas nicht potatus, ja, das ist ein potatus. Out of the depths we cry to Michael Driscoll as we finish our supervised placement reports. Conduct thy choirs according to Dr. Bank. Incline your ears to her instruction. Yet ask not again for a demonstration of the hinge. Hearken, O Stephen, unto my voice which has called out to thee. Let thine ears be attentive to my poor intonation and breathing. I will delight in the teachings of Craig, for they gladden the heart. It is better to trust in the Fritz organ than in Oldham's, Taylors, Wicks, Mollers, Kimball's, Crisps, Griffiths, Wurlitzers, Allens, Cassavets, Austins, Rogers, Hammersteins, Bells, electromechanics, and concave pedalboards. Give thanks to Professor Blatchley, for he is good. His extensions endure forever. As the deer longs for running streams, so we seek to understand Thorburden and Thoberdom. There is one who calls me Tim. His name is Alice Blatchley. His ministry is my shepherd. I shall not want, except for a working computer in the grad student office. This is the day McShane has made. Let us prepare drop jaws for Piatti Makima. Let your fish mouths be as big as possible, lest ye have Daniel Bayless dash thee against the rock. Glory be to the MSM program, the graduate school, and Janet Rudatius. As it was in 2005, is now, and ever shall be, at least as long as there's money.